Hello there, and welcome to the second episode of Dress Rehearsal Part 2 Surfing the Post-COVID series with me. I hope you tried the exercise couple of times already. How did you find it? If you haven't watched the first episode, I highly recommend you to do that because this one is in continuation to that. In the previous episode, I shared with you a mental rehearsal technique. To follow this technique, you started building a positive statement around what you want to do differently. Then we contextualized it. You added elements to it, made it more closer to the reality and the situation where you want this to happen. You added place and the people around you. Then we followed a 4-step approach. I am going to run through these 4 steps again quickly. I invite you to create the experience for yourself while I do that. Take a deep breath, inhale and exhale. With next exhale, shift your gaze down and listen to you repeating this positive statement to yourself. Breathe. Take a moment here. Let the images and sound emerge. Shift your gaze up. Imagine yourself sitting in a movie hall, watching yourself performing the desired behavior exactly the way you want it on the screen in front of you. This scene is about you. Watch yourself in action here. Now look down. Here, you step out of a gallery and step inside this movie. Now it is you doing exactly what you want, performing it in an exact manner that you wish for, with all the other things around you exactly the same way you want them to be. Now, you take a moment to feel the emotions that follow this experience. Being fully open to the new experience, feeling these emotions inside your body. Step 4, take a deep breath, shift your gaze to the front, look to your left, look to your right, and repeat step 1 to step 4 on your own couple of times to deepen the impact. And with each repetition, make it fast enough to complete the entire circuit in not more than 8 to 10 seconds. All changes happen first at an unconscious level, and it is only after that that we become aware of it. The pandemic has touched some of us adversely, deeply to an unconscious level. So mental rehearsal techniques like this are powerful. They can help give your brain a new direction real quick. Mental rehearsal techniques, they work down to the level of unconsciousness, beyond the level of intellect reasoning. This is exactly what sets them apart and bring the results fast and easy. I want to stress that each of the steps, including shifting your gaze, looking to the left, looking to the right, and blow, is important for the optimum results. You would want to repeat this dress rehearsal exercise on a daily basis multiple times. My suggestion is that whenever you get emotionally disturbed with your current health situation, use it as a good reminder to perform this exercise. This way, you choose to take control of the situation. You take charge to change those disempowering emotions filling you with those empowering ones. And you are doing this with all the necessary ingredients, right from positive statement, establishing the context, engaging your imagination, visualization, sounds, emotions. You are carefully crafting your goal and future pacing it to let your brain and body experience it and start believing it. With all of this, you are befriending your unconsciousness for realization of your goal. I hope this episode inspired you and you are excited to use this to its full power. With this, we come to an end of this episode, and I see you in the next one where we shall speak about the diet and nutrition that can support you to the process of recovery. Wishing you a good day, good evening, stay safe, stay well.